Okay, so now we will start with our third animation. Let's create a new composition. We will call it as main animation, like always. Width is 1920, height is 180, frame rate is 30, and duration we are going to choose 20-second long, and background color is black color, and simply hit OK. Then go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title section. Then we will select our text tool and we will type our text. I'm going to type motion, and for the font you can choose whatever font you want. I'm going to choose Oswald bold version, and select this text. Press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically, and let's type graphics also. Okay, now hit Ctrl A to select this, and let's increase the distance between these words. Let's type I. Now select this all alphabets and go to the paragraph and choose align it center. Go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Select this graphics layer, go to the character menu, select black color. For the stroke I'm going to choose white color and choose stroke width up to 4 pixels, like this. Now select this layer, press S and increase the scale and align it properly at the center. Okay, select this layer, press Ctrl Shift C and let's call it as text and hit OK. Then go to the effect and presets panel and we will search for CC scale wipe effect and simply double click to apply. And over here let's stretch value not 100 but 10, and make this center over here like this, and create one keyframe at center. Hit U, go to around 3 seconds. I'll move this from here to here like this. Okay, so if you hit play you will get this kind of animation. Now select those layers and move this from here to here. So if you see this, now we will get this kind of animation over here. Now what we need to do, we will select this, right click, keyframe assistance, and we will choose time reverse keyframes. So if you see, we will get this kind of appearing animation. Then let's go over here, select this, press Ctrl Shift D to to split this layer, hit U, and we will delete those keyframes. Now over here what we are going to do, if you know this point is over here, so let's select this first of all and let's move this thing over here like this, and let's try to rotate the direction somewhere around over here like this. Okay, let's move this over here and let's make this, create one keyframe, then go somewhere around over here and let's move this from here to here like this. So if you see this, now we will get this first, then we will get this. Now select those keyframes and hit F9, select those layers, press Ctrl Shift C and we will call it as text animation like this. Now press Ctrl N and we will call it as ramp and hit OK. Then press Ctrl Y to create one solid background and we are going to choose white color for it and lock this layer. Then press Ctrl Y to create one solid background and choose black color for it. Okay, now select this solid background, press S, unlink the scale and let's make this 20 or let's say 10. Then right click new and create one adjustment layer and we are going to apply swirl effect. We will apply twill. Let's choose this and we will increase the angle like this and radius somewhere around like this. Okay, let's go to the main animation, hit Ctrl 0 and we will bring this ramp over here. We will hide this layer. First of all, we will select this text layer. We are going to go in effect and presets panel and we are going to apply, let's say, time displacement effect, and we are going to choose this ramp. Go to the start and let's make this quad resolution. So if you see this, now we will get this kind of weird stuff. So what we are going to do over here, we will right click new and we will create another adjustment layer and we are going to apply blur effect on it, and we are going to choose Gaussian blur. So simply double click to apply and increase the blurriness somewhere around like this. So now if you see this animation, we will get something like this. Now let's select this black solid layer, and we will increase the uh, size over here to 30, and let's see this. You will get something like this. Now let's select this and we will change the twill angle somewhere around like this, and let's see what we will get. We will get something like this. Okay, if you want, right click new and create another adjustment layer, and you can apply tint effect on it, so you can swap these colors. So if you see this now, we will get different results like this. So I'll choose this only, like this. Increase the glow Gaussian blur, so I'll select this. Okay, now select both the layers, press Ctrl Shift C, and we are going to call it as final text animation. Now select this layer, hit Ctrl D up to 5 times. Let's go to the start and let's go to around 5 frames. Select this, move this over here, 5 frames, move this over here, move this over here, and move this over here. Now select this 5th frame, apply tint effect on it, and change the color of this white text to red. Select this 4th layer, apply tint effect, change the color of this white text to green. Change the color of 3rd layer, change this color to blue. Change the 2nd layer and apply find edge effect and invert it, same like this. So if you see this now, we will get this kind of trippy text animation over here. Okay, and then hit N. And if you see this in full resolution, it will take a little bit time to load this entire animation because of this time displacement effect, but final output would be awesome. Then you can right click new and create one adjustment layer. You can go to the effect and presets panel and search for glow effect. Simply double click to apply. Increase the glow threshold to 100 and glow radius to 30 and glow intensity to 0.5, like this. Okay, so this is how you will get this kind of trippy text animation.